Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix SIM card not working on your iPhone by following these troubleshooting steps. So let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is just pull down that top menu and put your phone on airplane mode briefly, 10-15 seconds, and then you can turn it off as well. Now you can also do this by going into your setting and airplane mode on and then off. It does a quick network refresh, as you can see up top here. Now the next thing you want to do if you're still having an issue is in the settings here, we're going to go to general and on the about page. And when you're on this page, if there's a carrier update, it's going to have a pop-up message and then you can click on update. Give it 10-15 seconds or so. Now if you don't see an update, that may be fine. You just don't have an update. We'll move on to the next troubleshooting step, which is just simply going to be, if you have a phone with a physical SIM card, removing it and inserting it back in. So here you can see a physical SIM card is on this side here. Either the left or the right side. You're going to look for the cutout here. Take a SIM ejector tool, or you can take a paper clip or earring piece as well. Just going to simply push it in there to pop it out, right, like this. And then once you pop it out, the SIM card is out. You just use your finger, and all we do is just put it back in. Just make sure there's no damage or anything with it, and then quickly just put it back in. Make sure it sits flush against, and then after that, your network should refresh again. And now if it's still not working, the next thing you want to do is actually go into your setting, look at your cellular. Now in your cellular here, if you have multiple lines, make sure the lines are turned on. If you have data, you want to just simply turn on and off the data just to make sure it refreshes. And keep in mind, another thing you may want to do sometimes is that you can convert a physical SIM card to an eSIM card. You might see an option there. Here, I don't have it because this doesn't support it, but some carriers do support it, and some SIM cards do support that. And additionally, further step you may consider in the future is adding an eSIM card version of your phone line. Most of the carriers now convert over to eSIM, which is much easier instead of having to have a physical SIM card, which sometimes cannot work or have issues with it. Now, after you did this and you're still trying to troubleshoot, the next thing you want to do is a simple, basically a method of force restart, where you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So you're going to do volume up, volume down, and you just hold down this side button, and you're going to hold it until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo appear. So as you can see here, I'm holding down and I'm waiting for the Apple logo to appear before I let go of that side button. So I'm going to wait, and then you let go. Again, all you did was quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button until the screen went completely black and the Apple logo showed up. And that is going to go ahead and shut down the phone software and then reload the code. Now, if it's still not working, the next thing you want to do is go into your setting, and then make sure, of course, you're connected to Wi-Fi for this process. And if you are, go to General, Software Update, and update your phone to the latest version. Sometime a previous update might have been causing an issue. There may be a bug or glitch. So it's always good to update your phone to the next version to ensure that isn't the case. Now, after you have done that and none of this method is working for you, you're going to go into your setting, General, scroll down to Transfer Reset iPhone. And then you're going to do a reset, and then you're going to want to do a network setting reset. A network setting reset will reset network related setting. It will not delete any of your data, but an important step to do part of this. And finally, if all of this stuff doesn't work for you, you may want to contact your phone carrier or the company just to make sure that your account is in good standing. There's no problem with the carrier. Sometimes they do have outages and such, and you may have to use someone else's phone, of course, to call them if your SIM card isn't working. But if you contact them, they can kind of sometimes even do a reset on their end if it's an issue on their side. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.